you would never be able to tell this car was damaged. It just goes to show, you pick the right car, you could turn it around within a week. Salvage vehicle that we bought that was vandalized. As you can see, it was smashed in on the windscreen, so you can't drive that. Here's the damage. Which when I first seen it, it looks like it doesn't look too bad, but I was a bit disappointed because it's coming to the door as well. On the grill, the grill looks like the bottom grill here. If you remember from the episode before, that bottom lower grill was damaged as well. That's been replaced. Didn't need to take off the bumper, just take off each of the trims on each side, and then you just have to fiddle around with it till it pops up. So guys, the car's come back from the body shop. If you watched the previous episode, you would see that door was kicked in and that rear quarter. So if you have a look at the job the person's done, it's a very good job. However, I just want to tell you what they did with me, the paint shop. So I was quoted one price. I sent him a video, somebody I've known for years, and they could, usually they want to do something like this, pull a scam like this. So what he did was basically, he gave me a price, I accepted, booked me in, took the car. So now the car was there 3 days. On the third day, he rings me and goes to me, oh, would you like the door repaired too? I was thinking to myself, hang on a second, that was the whole price agreed, even with the video I sent you. So he's tried to get extra £100 out of me. I didn't have it. I go, put the car back how it was, please. So after that, we come to an agreement. We met halfway, and I just paid it just for the argument's sake. But just be aware of things like that. But I can't fault the person's job. He's done a really good job. Didn't replace any panel, and how it was kicked in before to what it is now, it's really good. You can see down all the lines are nice, and you would never be able to tell this car was damaged. And it's fine. So the only problem left now is this windscreen. It's this car here. My cousin wanted it, so he did the project now, and he's going to keep the car. So all he has to do is tax the vehicle, and the car's been turned around within a week. He's got it for the price, about 25% off the market value. So it's really good. There's nothing wrong with that car mechanically at all. So it just goes to show, you pick the right car, you could turn it around within a week, and you could be driving it within a week as well. So salvage cars aren't the worst to buy. This one turned out to be a decent project without the headache from the paint person. But we're going to be asking the person who bought the vehicle, who's taken the vehicle, how he feels about it. Stay tuned for the repair of the windscreen. So this is Chris from CPR Windscreens, and he's going to be swapping our windscreen for us today. So Chris, what we're going to be doing, we're just going to be swapping this windscreen over. You just take out these trims, do you?
Yeah, please take side trims off,
yeah,
wipers off, scuttle, mirror. Then it's just a case of protecting everything and cutting it out.
Okay, thank you Chris, we'll get to that in a second. You can see it was kicked in, smashed, and this one we can't do nothing about it, we just have to get it fully swapped. Simple as that, comes out in about say 10 minutes with a professional like Chris from CPR Windscreens. So what he does, Next is this removes all of the seal all along there. That's how a windscreen sits in place. So Chris, what's this stuff you're putting on there now then?
This is primer. Put it on the screen and the body. It's pretty much like a primer activator for the bond. This is what the bond will stick to, basically. Helps to reactivate the old glue that's on the body as well.
And you've also put it under
On the screen as well. More important on the screen because you need, because it's there to start with. There's not much in this one, so.
So what is that exactly then?
This is the actual bond. It's in the sausage.
So that's what glues the windscreen together.
Holds it into the car, yeah.
So it's like a seal what bonds.
Seals it, yeah.
That's for the windscreen, right? It goes in place. That's how a professional does it.
Nice and tight at the top.
See how tight he's got that, nice.
Block the bottom.
See up there, nice and tight. That's how a windscreen should be done. So it's taken Chris half an hour from CPR Windscreens to replace this windscreen, and it's all done. He's done a brilliant job, professional.
You clean it up, you leave it for an hour, don't drive it. I recommend you don't check wash it for a week.
A week.
It's alright in the weather though, it's just high powered stuff.
Okay.
Just give it a week.
Okay. Why is that then?
Because it takes a while for that glue to go all the way to the core.
Okay. You heard it from a professional. Once you put in a windscreen, don't jet wash it for at least a week. So what it was to what it is now, you couldn't tell it was damaged. Back to normal within a week. That's all it's taken. Car's road legal. It's got MOT, it's got tax, it's drivable, being repaired, and it's fixed and it's ready to go. So what do you think of your car, first time salvage buyer?
Amazing deal, I can't go wrong. Absolutely spanking, as you can see. No dents, no scratches, engine's mint. I'm very happy, to be honest with you.
There you
Thank you
go.
very much.
What do you think of the windscreen repair?
Beautiful. Can't even tell you it's ever broken.
And there's nothing else wrong with this car?
Absolutely not.
And you driving it?
Immaculate.
You driving it? How do you feel?
Beautiful. Amazing. Feel like a new person.
There you go. And what do you think of the repair that's being done? What is,
immaculate. Superb.
and you can drive it today, right?
Getting in it right now.
Thanks for guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe so I can bring you more tips of the trade. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.